Hello kids, welcome you all to the Max Olympiad questions class 3 chapter number 1 number sense. The first question is Chintan has a magic wand as shown below. So they have shown the magic wand here. Which of the following shows the number on the magic wand? So we need to find out what is the number on the magic wand. So it is 3, 5, 6. So it is 356. Why? Because the least digit is 1's position and then 10's position and then number 3 is in 100's position, right? So the number is nothing but 356. So check whether which option is correct. So first one is 326. So this one is 326. Next one is 256. Next one is 351. Next one is 356. So the option D is correct option. So they are asking just to find out the number what it is available in the magic wand. So the option is D. Second question, which of the following option is true? They are asking which option is correct, right? So here in the left hand side 7989 is given. So 7989 is given. So right hand side they have expanded and given. So we need to check whether the expandable form is correct or not. So we know that again the least digit is 1's position, then 10's, 100's and then 1000. So check whether each and every value it is multiplied by proper position place value, right? So here it is 7 into the 4, since it is the fourth digit it is multiplied by 1000. Yes, it is correct. Then 9 into, actually it is in position 100's place, right? So here 100 should be multiplied, but here 1000 is multiplied. So this value it is wrong. Okay, so this option it is wrong. Why? Because we should have 9 into 100, but here it is 9 into 1000. So this option is wrong. Then coming to the second option, 6879. So 6879. 6 is multiplied by 1000. Yes, it is correct. Then 8 is multiplied by 100. So actually here 8100 they have given. But actually it should be what? 8 into 100, correct? So 8 into 100 should be there, but here they have mentioned that it is 8100, so it is wrong. Again we should have 7 into 10, right? But here they mentioned 7 into 100, so both the things are wrong. So this option is also wrong. Then option C, 9978. So 9978. So what is the thousands position? 9. So 9 into 1000. Then hundreds position 9 into 100. Then tens position 7 into 8. Then ones position 8. So all the numbers are in the proper position, right? So 9 into 1000, 9 into 100, 7 into 10, 8 into 1 are just 8. So this option is correct option. Okay, so check whether the last option is correct or not. So 9 into 1000 here correct. So 7 into 100 it is also correct. 9 into 10 it is also correct. But last option, actually here it is 9, but here they mention it as 8. So this option is wrong. So answer for the second question, it is option C. Coming to the third question, compare and select the correct option. So here in the left hand side they have given 700, 4 tens, 3 ones. So what do you mean by that? 700. So 7 into 100. Then plus 4 tens, 4 into 10. Then 3 ones. So 3 into 1. So what is the proper format for this number? It is 700, right? 700 plus 4 into 10 means 40. 40 plus 3. So what is this number? 743, right? So this is there in the left hand side. What about in the right hand side? Right hand side number it is 9005. So 9000. So 9 into 1000 plus 5 into 1. Okay, so there is no 100 place, there is no tens place. It is just 9000 plus 5. What is 9000 plus 5? It is 9005. Okay, because here hundreds position and tens position no number is there. So we need to put 0. Okay, so you should not put 95. Hundreds position and tens position it is 0. So it is 9005, 9005. So what is this number? It is 743. Okay, what is this number? 9005. So we need to find out which option is correct. Whether this number is less or greater. So 9005 is greater. So we need to put the symbol as this. Okay, so the option is what? B option. Okay, why? Because this symbol is similar to this. So this option is correct. 9005 is greater than 743. Who among the following holds the greatest number? So check which person is holding the greatest number. So always whenever they are asking the greatest number, first check each and every number is in the same number, is with the same number of digits. For example, here also 4, here also 4 digit, here also 4 digit, here also 4 digit. Then it is easy for us to compare. So compare the greatest number. So here it is 3, 1, 3, 3. So we are checking for greatest number. So here it is 1. So definitely this number will not be there. Okay. Then so since it is here also 3, 3, 3, compare these three numbers 3, 2, 2, 4 and 3, 1, 2, 4 and then 3, 2, 8, 1. Okay. So now we have checked this number. So leave that number in all the three numbers. Okay. So next we have to compare about the hundreds position place. Right. So what is this number? 2, 1, 2. So here it is less number. So definitely this number will not come. So now we have to compare this and this. 3, 2, 2, 4 and then 3, 2, 8, 1. Right. So here also again 3, 2. Here also 3, 2. So leave this. Okay. What about your tens position? Tens position, here it is 2, here it is 8. Right. So definitely this one is greater when compared to this. So this number is greater, that is 3281 is greater when compared to all the three numbers, right? So in general we can say that this is 3224, this is 3124, this is 3281. Definitely this number is greater number. Okay. So who is holding that number? Mohan. So the option is C. Which of the following represents the number greater than the number shown on the abacus? So they are asking which number is greater when compared to the number shown in the abacus. So what is the number here? At ones position, how many value? It is 4. Tens position, how many value? It is 4. Hundreds position, it is 3. Thousand position, it is 4. So what is this number? 4344. So which number is greater than this? So already as I said, so 434 it is there, 434, 434, 433 will not come. This number will not come. Okay, because 433 is lesser when compared to 434. So ones position it is 4. Definitely ones position value it should be greater than 4. So see the ones position, here it is 3, here it is 6. So definitely this one is greater when compared to 4344. So the option is C option for the question number 5. Thank you. Thanks for watching.